Okay, looking at this, what's happened? Rolls Royce has gone up massively, hasn't it? What happens next? So we've had what they call a really energetic move to the upside, and so what we're looking for next, what people do next, is to look for a retest. Looks like that might be happening now. It might come down to the trend line. Sometimes it comes a little bit further back, but anyway, um, what is happening? And then so what happens is bursts up, retests, and then moves up. So you got really good. So we don't. This is such a violent move. I'm not certain it's going to be just a fake out. There's still that chance though. Why is there that chance? Well, what's happened is so the bearish. There's the bullish sentiment. It just had that, and then what happens in so obviously this has just been going sideways for a very very long time, just absolutely sideways. um, yeah, there's been some, it's not bad, 5-10% here, but as you know, Rolls Royce likes to move pretty big moves, doesn't it? Really big moves. So it's just going sideways. What happens in sideways boring markets is sometimes they get what they call a Bart Simpson. So it's going sideways, comes up, and you'll just do that for a bit, and then drop back down to where it was. To quite often continue the sideways movement, or even comes back down again. Um, and then a person has to identify likely support areas using indicators and various other aspects of technical analysis like previous highs, previous lows. They always move to the lows, or previous order blocks, which is an order block is a slight pause in a steep upward move, that sort of thing. Um, let's have a look in the daily. What's happening in the daily is just an overall look at it. Um, so at the moment, you've got that cup and handle. There's the cup, there's the handle, and the those can be bullish and bearish. So if it has moved up, the it's simply estimate of the move to the upside or downside is taken. Draw a line from bottoms up the cup and handle, and take it to the end of the handle where this started moving up. Okay, so that is more or less in the right place. It started moving up from there, didn't it? I'm going to take it down to there just to be sure. Don't want to be overly bullish. I'm going to slip off into the weekly chart now. And as you see, there is a move. There's a line across there. There's a potential price target there. That is based on that high there, down to the 2020 low. Um, and of course, there's confluence there with the base of that last little order block area before the price capitulated that there. The markets were destined to move back down then anyway, and they did so with aplomb. Um, and then again with the 786, a traditional take profit area, and it can go up. Let's look at the peak of it. And the peak of it does come in line with that significant high, 25th of February 2019, the last high before the bear market kicked in, before, the Black Swan event. So that's February 1919, beared down all the 2019 and into 2020. So again, perfect harmony there. So there's another likely price target, reasonable technical target of, what was it say under there, 3 to 335 thereabouts The initial one is 230. Another interesting thing is to look at this works for me. It's taken from the local high to the local low, the Fibonacci retracement tool, and we've got confluence there at the 1272 great target area, and it has burst up above there, I believe. Let's have a look. Or is it just sitting on top of it, or just shy? Just shy of the 1272. It has not broken yet through the 1272. So this week, if it does break through the 1272, people will start putting orders in. Until that time, I'm hesitant to put any orders in at the moment, other than in for a potential short, because it's a potential bear Bart Simpson character. If it has, and it has got above with an explosive movement to the upside, and it has got above that resistance line, that sort of trend line there, broken through there, and it is, as we saw in the hourly chart, it's sat above there, has the potential to move on up initially towards another 20+%. So if it does come down, Bart Simpsons do capitulate sometimes, and the targets will. And it's a great opportunity for sure on there. Okay, so that is all I've got on the Rolls Royce. So there we go. That's my take on it. Cheers. I hope it's some use to you.